In this video, I'll show you how to link Microsoft Planner with Outlook. Microsoft Planner can work with Outlook by adding your planner tasks to your Outlook calendar. This makes it easier to see task deadlines next to your meetings, appointments, and reminders. Instead of opening Planner every time, you can quickly check upcoming task due dates from Outlook. First, open Microsoft Planner through Microsoft 365. You can also open Planner from Microsoft Teams if your plan is connected to a team. Once Planner opens, select the plan you want to link with Outlook. Inside the plan, look for the three dots or More Options menu near the top of the page. Click that menu, then look for an option called Add Plan to Outlook Calendar. In some layouts, it may say Add to Outlook Calendar or something similar. When you select this option, Planner may ask whether you want to publish the plan calendar. Turn publishing on if needed. This creates a calendar link that Outlook can subscribe to. Only use this option for plans where it is okay for the calendar information to be shared through that link. After publishing is turned on, choose Add to Outlook. Outlook should open and ask if you want to subscribe to the calendar. Confirm the subscription, and the planner calendar will be added to Outlook. Now open Outlook Calendar. You should see a new calendar listed under your calendars. Enable the checkbox next to the planner calendar to display it. Your planner tasks with due dates should now appear on your Outlook calendar. It's important to know that Outlook will usually show planner tasks based on their due dates. So, if a task does not have a due date in Planner, it may not appear on the calendar. To fix this, go back to Planner, open the task, and add a due date. You can also edit the calendar name or color in Outlook to make it easier to recognize. For example, you can name it after the project or team and choose a color that stands out from your regular meetings. Remember, this calendar connection is mainly for viewing task deadlines. You should still update task details, assignments, checklists, comments, and progress inside Microsoft Planner. If you no longer want to see planner tasks in Outlook, open Outlook Calendar, find the planner calendar, and remove or unsubscribe from it. That's how to link Microsoft Planner with Outlook so you can track task deadlines from your calendar. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.